This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Hikvision 5-megapixel EXIR fixed cube network camera, model DS-2CD2455FWD-IW. This particular one is a 2.8 millimeter. So let's crack it open and see what we got. So, as usual, the install CD you'll never use, the Hikvision Network Cube Camera quick guide. Thank you for choosing Hikvision product flyer. And get those out of there. You got some mounting screws you probably won't be using. AC adapter if you don't want to use the PoE, which is pretty good. You have the stand for the camera, get it out of there. And then you have the camera itself. That's all she got in there. So here is the camera itself. This one, like I said, 5 megapixel, H.265 Plus, has your PoE Ethernet jack in the back, or you can power it by AC adapter. It has integrated speaker into it, micro SD card slot on the side over here, infrared obviously. So let's just screw it onto the stand here so you can see real quick. So most people would just use this as like a little desktop camera kind of thing. I personally used one as a baby monitor back in the day. So it's pretty nice. Fairly inexpensive, under 200 bucks. You can mount once again to the wall with the little plate that's here with the screws. So if you somewhere, but if you're going to, just get one of the other Hikvision cameras. The infrared's going to be so much better. If you need wireless and you want the desktop form factor, then go with this, but stick with normal cameras if you can. So we're going to be using this one, pairing it with our Hikvision wireless NVR that we're going to be installing. So this way here it can connect the wireless to the wireless that this broadcasts itself. We'll still be recording redundantly on the micro SD card slot that's in here, just in case, you know, this thing ends up powering off, something happens, whatever, you still get the recordings on here. But once again, very situational. Avoid using these unless you have to. And in our case, we're going to. So, there you have it. Once again, that was the Hikvision EXIR fixed cube network camera, the 5 megapixel version, model DS-2CD2455FWD-IW, unboxing by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.